everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all people are doing great and learning this language in a good way and learn something new in English language every day. So that is going to help you and also me, because if we are consistent in our particular things which goal we want to achieve in our life, so we have to consistent first, because consistency is key of any success. So that is the first thing. And today I want to talk with you if you are beginner and if you are just start your journey nowadays. So what can you do to learn this language? So the thing is, if you are beginner, so I think you should start first, learn all tenses and forms of verb and all things which is required in English language initial days. And later then, if you have a time, so you can watch English conversation video, because English conversation video is going to help you to what can I say, how to construct sentence and what all word where you can say. And you if you are always watch a single video every day, so that is going to help you, because if your ear is going to habitual to listen some videos and podcast in English. So your mind is uh, understand the all process of make any sentence and where I can use this word and where I can use this word. So all things which is your mind observe that time whenever you watch some videos and podcasts. So that is going to help me too. That's why I shared with you. So guys, what can you do whenever you have a time? So so many videos are available on YouTube nowadays, because many people are learning this language. So they are collaborate with the many platform English. So like you can so many YouTuber make their video in English, and they have session with other co-learners, and you can see those many video. And every day if you watch two videos every day, like if you watch deliberately and if you are consistent all videos, so if you are watch this video is regular basis, so that is going to help you. Because earlier I was not able to speak my English like this, because I am not able to speak so many things. I just knew only reading and some basic word in English and basic sentence I can say, which is used in a daily basis, like where are you going, how are you, and what are you doing, what is your name, and all things. I just knew these all basic English that time. But uh, I want to enhance this language as soon as possible. So I took resolution and I never stopped this learning journey. And right now I am also learning. So I want to share with you my these particular things which I do every day. So if you want to good command in English, and if you want to understand the structure of daily basis basic English, like we need like this, we have to share our thought with other someone else. And if we want to crack any interview, and if we want to convey with other people, so you can easily observe the all things by watching conversation video. Because I learned so many things in watching conversation videos. That's why I shared with you. If you want to recover this problem, like I can't convey my thought and how to construct sentence and which word where can I use, and all things. So if you watch regularly two videos, so that is going to help you to understand what can help me in my journey. So learning never end, and learning should be never end. And if you want to uh, achieve English fluency is very soon, so please watch some conversation video in a daily basis. And I'm not said you can also, only watch on in conversation video, because if you are interested some other things, so you can watch them, you can watch podcast but in English. If you surround yourself only on English, and if your environment is all over and all rounder in English, if you think in English and all things do you in English, so you never stop your journey. And yes, you can see right now I am also stuck, and I can't convey my thought properly. And whenever I want to say something in English, so that time I forgot many word, what can I say, and right now I am not getting right word. So that is all things is happened with many people, and also I am like them, because we are learners, so we have to face this all problem in our journey. So learning is never end in our life, because we have to learn something new in our life. But if we talk about in English, so English is also very necessary nowadays, because you can see the era what is going on, and English is very necessary. So that's why I learn, and you all people are want to learn this language. So guys, if you want to enhance this language, so the last thing I want to share, these all things which I do in my regular basis. So you have to consistent, and if you want to achieve good fluency in this language, so please watch some conversation video in your daily basis, and that is going to very most help you in your journey. So guys, you can see as I did many mistake in my this video, so you should relate me, because if you are beginner, so you can resonate with me. And all things I do so many mistakes, but I never stop my journey, because people are always say something. But don't be scared, don't scared from other people, and don't stop your journey. If you want to achieve something new in your life, so please go ahead every day, and push yourself to ahead, and do something new in your life, and be positive and think positive, and learning something new every day. So guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And if you like my video, so please hit the subscribe button, and please do like, share, comment my videos. Bye.